Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. As you know that Karwachauth is just around the corner. So today I am going to show you a simple yet stunning Karwachauth makeup look that will make you feel like a queen on this special day. So let's get started. So guys, first I will apply a moisturizer on my face here, and then I am using Bellora Paris Hydrating Moisturizer. Next, I am going to apply a primer. This will help my makeup stay fresh throughout the day and give me a flawless finish. Make sure to choose a primer that suits your skin type, especially if you are going to be wearing makeup for a long time. And now I will apply a concealer that match my skin tone to hide imperfections. You can see here, and I am using Blue Heaven concealer. After that, I will blend my face well with the beauty blender. And guys, this is a damped beauty blender. Next, I am using my Glam foundation here. I will apply it properly in dots, and after that I will blend it well with the beauty blender as well. And now here I am gonna use a highlighter which is 2 shades lighter than my skin to highlight my face. This is LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Light. Now I'm using my Glam 3-in-1 blush, highlighter and contour palette. You can see here. This is a peach shade that I will apply as a blush on my face. After that I will contour my face, focusing on the jawline and nose. And at the same time I will also apply the highlighter on my face. And finally guys, I will spray makeup setting spray all over my face to fix my makeup. And guys, you can see here, this is a Rio Herbs makeup setting spray. This is a nice makeup fixer. Moving on the eye makeup, first I will fill my eyebrows here. After that I am using my Glam Superfood Kajal for eyeliner. I am going to apply a thin eyeliner on my eyelid and create a wing. You can see here. I will also apply kajal under my eyes, and then I will take a golden shimmery color and apply it on my eyelid. Golden color on eyes looks really nice for festival, so I mostly do this eye makeup for festivals. And after that I will take a brown shade and apply it in my creases, and apply the same shade under my eyes as well. Now I am going to use my Glam red lipstick on my lips. Guys, this red lipstick absolutely perfect for Karwachauth makeup. And here my makeup is ready. You can see here, this is my Karwachauth makeup look. And how do you like this makeup? Please let me know in the comment box.